fellow collectors, and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at the second wave of Gashapon raised buckles from Kamen Rider Geats, and we have three new Legend Rider buckles to take a look at here. We have the Wizard Driver from Kamen Rider Wizard, we have the Jiku Driver from Kamen Rider Geo, and we have the Sword Driver from Kamen Rider Saber. So pretty cool, nice assortment here of new Legend Rider buckles to take a look at. Like all of the other Legend Rider buckles, they just kind of have the driver in this oval shape, and you can swivel this around, so if you want to put it on either side of the driver, and then you just press the button down to activate the sounds. Here is the QR code here for Wizard, and it is number 35. Here is the Jiku Driver. Really like the colors for this one. I think this is a really nice color scheme for this. Here is the QR code, and this is number 29. And then here is the Sword Driver. This one's a little difficult to make out just because of the way the book is done, but still looks pretty cool. I'm not really sure why white is the secondary color. I mean, I guess technically he was kind of red, white, and black, but I feel like they should have worked some black into it as well. I guess you can really only pick two colors. Here is the QR code, and then he is number 27. So, and again, you can switch these around. So pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and bring in the Desire Driver so we can hear the sounds. So we'll start first with the Wizard Driver. Next up, we have the Jiku Driver. And then lastly, the Sword Driver. That's kind of cool. The Sword Driver has kind of a long intro with the Flame Dragon book, so that's pretty neat that they included the whole thing. Alright, now we'll mix and match, add a couple more here. Next up, we'll try them all with boost, so we'll start with the Wizard Driver. And lastly, we'll try it out in the Magnum Shooter 40X.
Kamen Rider. Tactical Blast.
So just like all the other Legend Rider buckles, they're all just going to say Kamen Rider. So I think this is a really fun set. I've been having a lot of fun collecting the Legend Rider buckles for Kamen Rider Geats. I think all three of these look really great. The sound effects are a lot of fun. I think the GQ driver is probably my favorite out of the three just because I always really liked the sound effects for the GQ driver when he would transform. I thought that was a lot of fun. But again, all three of these are really great, so I definitely recommend tracking them down. It was kind of difficult. I was finally able to get an order in with Toku Collectibles. That's where I got mine. They had been popping up on like Mandarake and things like that as well. But it just seems like the Gashapons especially but also the candy toys have just been kind of hard to track down for Geats in general, I think just because the show is really popular. But if you can get a hold of these, I definitely recommend adding them to your collection, because I think they're a lot of fun and they're relatively inexpensive. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks so much for watching.